Masnavi Lessons Episode 20. In the insightful tales of Rumi's Masnavi, particularly in the second book, a story clearly captures the essence of communication and understanding across diverse languages and cultures. For travelers, each speaking a different language, who come upon a sum of money. They debate on how to spend it, each desiring grapes but expressing this wish in their own tongue: anger, for the Persian; inab, for the Arab; yuzum, for the Turk; and staphile, for the Greek. Misunderstandings lead to a fight, as each thinks the others want something different. In the end, their discord is resolved by a wise man, who explains that despite their different words, they all seek the same fruit. This story offers several practical life lessons that are relevant in various contexts, including interpersonal relationships, cultural understanding, and conflict resolution. Communication is key. Misunderstandings often arise not from fundamental differences but from the inability to communicate effectively. Taking the time to understand others' perspectives can resolve conflicts and build stronger relationships. Look beyond surface differences. The story encourages us to see past superficial differences, in this case, language, to the underlying similarities that unite us. In practical terms, this means valuing common goals and interests over differences in opinion, appearance, or culture. The importance of perspective. The resolution of the conflict by a wise man who understood all languages underscores the importance of perspective in solving problems. Sometimes, stepping back, viewing a situation from multiple perspectives, and listening to an experienced wise person can reveal simple solutions to seemingly complex issues.
By applying these lessons, individuals can lead more meaningful and productive personal and professional relationships.